Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a vlog today. It is Saturday. I'm wearing my Saturday and Sunday sweatshirt from Target, but a lot of you were asking how we did the doors in our closets, so I'm sorry it took me so long. I'm finally going to share that in this video. And I have like a bunch of new stuff from HomeGoods and All Modern and Wayfair, so I thought I'd kind of like show you around some new things that we picked up lately as far as home decor goes, and then a little bit of whatever else we do. In perfect timing, our Home Chef box is here. It's a meal subscription service, so I'm going to open this up really quickly and show you guys what's inside. When you open it, there's a recipe card for everything, and I really like that it tells you how long that will last from when it arrives at your house. So 5 days, 5 days, and then 6 days, which is a long time for like fresh things like this. And there is Sicilian chicken. And then we have a Tex-Mex stuffed peppers. That one will probably be my favorites. And this one for sure will be Chad's favorite. This is smoky sriracha pork tenderloin. And everything is packaged separately. It's like foolproof. It tells you which one it's for. And then over here is all of the meats. So it has all of that separately. Okay, here's the first thing. We just got this 3-drawer dresser. We have the 6-drawer version. I'm holding it at like this weird angle so you guys can see the 6th drawer in the background. And these are so affordable. I love them. I think they look really cool. So I will link them. And then I did get a few picture frames. I want to have like a bunch of frames up here. Obviously I haven't put any pictures in them, but I got all of these from HomeGoods. And I love that one. I want them all to be like similar. And I love how these ones have like a stand in the background, so I thought those were really cool. We do have one photo picked out so far, but obviously I still need to put those guys in there. And here are the doors. I told you guys in so many videos I'd share them soon. Sorry it's taken me so long, but a lot of you guys wanted to know like how we did this, and a lot of you guys said you want to do it too. So if you do it, like send me photos or tag me on Instagram or something, because I'd love to see how it turns out. And this is like, it takes a while. It's not like a simple project, honestly. We just got like regular doors, just like flat doors. And then we had the mirrors cut at a professional store because I wanted it to run the top and then straight down, and I didn't want it to be like 1 foot of white and 1 foot of white. So that's why we had to spend a little more money and have them done professionally. I think it cost about $300 for a set of 4 for this door, a set of 4 for the door in my office, and then a set of 2 for a smaller door. And we only did half right now because we just wanted to make sure that it would actually like work out in the end, and obviously it has, so we're going to do the other doors. But I think it looks so good for the price. It is a little bit expensive, but it still is way less money than if you were to like find these doors online, which by the way, we couldn't even find them online like this. That's why we had to make them ourselves. But I do a lot of those projects, as you guys know, so. And then for the handles, I bought these on Amazon, and these are very inexpensive, so I will link them. I think they were around like $7 or so each, and they are like extremely lightweight and they're hollow, so they're not like the highest quality, but honestly for me that's fine because I think they look really nice and it's not like they scratch or anything like that. And by the way, I'm wearing those skinny jeans from my spring haul, the Style Blogger Look for Less video, and I'm obsessed with these, so you guys should watch that video if you haven't seen it. And while I'm in here, I figured I'd just share this swimsuit real quick. It's from TJ Maxx. It only was $19.99, and one of my HomeGoods has like one of these stores and half of it, so sometimes I walk over there. I'm not huge on the print, honestly, but I just really loved the shape of it, and it has like some detailing right here. And then on the back side, it looks like this, and it's fairly low on the back, but it isn't like super low. It has like the same thing as on the front, but a little larger, and then the straps are really long. So for $20, like, I thought that was so cute. I haven't tried it on yet, so cross your fingers for me. Hopefully it fits well. And here's the 6-drawer version I was just talking about, and I made this in my last video, or the one before that actually. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I recreated a $4,000 mirror, and I think it looks really cute, so go watch that video if you haven't seen it. And here's just a sneak peek of that rug I talked about in the last video. It came in and it's set up for filming in here, so it's like really messy. I have so many lights all over the place, but I thought this was so cool. I also found a throw blanket at HomeGoods, and it looks like this. Sometimes I have it on the foot of the bed or like hanging over this chair in my office, but isn't that so pretty? We've actually had this a few months, but I figured while I'm walking around showing you everything, I would just show this to you because I don't think I've shown this to you guys before, but it's from HomeGoods. And I just thought this was so cool. The hardware I love, obviously, and the hairpin legs. And then I found this guy at HomeGoods. This was only $40. I just feel like that's such a good deal for the size. It's almost like 3x3, so it's pretty big. Wait, hold it straight. It's so big. I can't believe this is $25.
Alexa, what did I miss? Alright, no.
One new notification. From Amazon Shopping, Chad's shipment, ordered on Thursday, March 15th, 2018, has arrived.
So it's a few hours later and we're home now. I'm going to make the stuffed peppers. So I have everything that it comes with. Right now it's in the oven, it's almost done, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys because it smells so good. New recipes every single week, and it's a subscription, so you can do it every week. But if you want to skip a week, there isn't a charge for that or anything like that. So I'm not the one who does a lot of the cooking in our house, so Chad is going to taste it and see what he thinks. And honestly, it was so much easier to follow than I expected. All of the info will be in the description box. What do you think?
It's good.
I'm sitting here on my computer and I have to tell you guys the craziest story of how we just got a free sectional. So I bought one online, I saw it, I liked it, I bought it. Just like a regular purchase. And it's supposed to be 3 pieces. So there's one with an armrest on the left, one with an armrest on the right, and then one centerpiece without any armrests. When it came in, it had the centerpiece, but it had 2 with an armrest on the left, so it wouldn't fit together how it's supposed to. So I just sent them photos and an email, and I thought that they would replace the side that was wrong and take the other one. And it's back ordered now, so what they're going to do is, she said I could have this sectional because since we'll have it for so long, it's not like they could sell it. And then she ordered another one for us, so we'll have like what we were expecting to get. And for waiting so long, she gave us like $250 off the purchase price. So eventually we will have like a free couch, which obviously is really cool. And because it's a sectional and it's 3 pieces, it could be fit together as like a straight couch, it could be fit together as an L. And I think what we're going to do is upstairs in the living room we'll have a couch, and then downstairs we'll have a couch instead of an L up here and an L downstairs. So I don't know, it's like annoying that I have to wait so long, obviously, but in the end it's kind of worth it because I just got a lot of money off and I got like a free one. And it does fit together, but it doesn't fit together how it's supposed to. I don't know, I'm just like, okay, well, I guess that was worth it. So that's exciting.